Hello there, partner. How are you today? All right, I'm doing pretty sweet. Let's get to work. We're pumped. Oh, wait, how was your weekend? Okay, great. Okay, yeah, did you see so-and-so? All right, awesome. What are you doing this weekend? Oh, all right, great, awesome. Okay, let's get to work. All right, now, you can see here what I have that we're gonna need for this lab. Aluminum foil, a graduated cylinder. We want the ones that are smart. They've graduated. Graduated, they're smart. Yeah, that's funny. All right, and then we're gonna need a ruler. Now I'll show you why just a second here. And we need our lab sheet. Yes, you do. It says aluminum foil thickness determination. It is in essential documents. Go get it. Go, 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 go. Go get it. Oh, lab partner, come on. I'm waiting. All right, did you got it? Okay, good. Thank you, lab partner. All right, now what I'm going to do is, well, first of all, we need a piece of aluminum foil. And I'm going to take this piece of aluminum foil here, and I'm going to measure it. And I've got yay amount of aluminum foil. Okay, whatever it is. And then we're going to rip it off here. All right, rip it off. Do a little ripping. Yes. Hang on. I'm putting you down. Man down. Was that fun? All right, now we've got this piece of aluminum foil about so big, and I'm gonna have to measure it. Now you can see there's this one side that's kind of ripped a little bit, and that's gonna be tough to measure, but I'm gonna leave it like that, okay? Let's throw a potential experimental error in there. So let's go ahead and leave it like that. I need to measure this rectangle of aluminum foil. And I actually already know how wide this is. I know how wide it is because on our box of Rouse Wrap, it does tell me that is 304 millimeters. That's 30.4 centimeters or 0.304 meters. Okay, we're actually going to need that in meters. So go ahead and write that down. Write that down somewhere. Do it now. All right, so write it down. All right, so I didn't make a data table out of this for you, but you just go ahead and you write that down, lab partner. Okay, take that data down. I'm trusting you. That is 30.4 centimeters wide. So the width of this is 30.4 centimeters, 0.304 meters. Okay, now we also need to know what the length of this is. So you see one edge, nice and straight. The other edge, well, not so nice. You just did not do a very good job. What are we supposed to do here? Okay, well, let's pretend that we're in lab, and sometimes students will do this. They'll make a nice straight line. Now let's just leave it like this. Okay, it's good, and this is a good lab experience of what not to do. But we're going to take an average length of this. Since part of it is shorter and part of it is longer, I think that would be like a good average for the one unstraight side. We're going to use that as my average. And then we're going to go down here, and we are going to look and see. All right, put that down there all the way. That's 51, 2, 3. Okay, I'm looking through the camera. All right, hang on a second. I'm not going to look through the camera. It's harder for me to see through the camera. Hang on. I'm going like with 52.29, if I put that all the way down. Let's see if you agree, 50.29. Yeah, okay, 50.29 centimeters long. So write that down. 50.29 centimeters long, 30.4 centimeters wide, that's 0.304 meters, and 0.529 meters in terms of meters in length. So what we want to know is how thick this piece of aluminum foil is. Now you can see that that's pretty darn thin. You go ahead and measure that on this meter stick. Ain't happening. Even with a micrometer, which is more accurate than a ruler, it's still going to be too thin to measure, and that's the point of this lab. Remember, this week we're looking at videos talking about what the thickness or how big an atom is. That's why we need the mole. The whole concept of the mole is that it's so darn small that we need a butt ton of them to make any measurable amount. And so this idea of this lab is to figure out the thickness of this aluminum foil. Now it's so small, how are we going to do it? In order to measure anything with atoms, we need an indirect method. You can't directly measure atoms, you have to do it indirectly. And so this is what's going to be called an indirect solution to figuring out how thick this piece of aluminum foil is. So we can't directly do it with a meter stick, even a micrometer. So I need an indirect method of doing that. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to come up with an indirect method of solving for that volume. Now, before we go on, this piece of aluminum foil here, I am going to have to get the mass of it, so I am going to not put you through that torture like I am right now, getting that mass. So I'm going to go get the mass, and as Arnold always says, I'll be back.